Okay, so this is the second video, and here I am going to explain you what is Cold War. So now what is Cold War? Cold War refers to the competition, tensions and a series of confrontations between the United States and Soviet Union backed by their respective allies. So in general words, basically Cold War means that actually none of the power blocks, that is the US and USSR, had a direct war. None of them during the Cold War period dropped a nuclear weapon on each other. That is why it is called cold. Okay. Yes, there was a lot of competition among both of them. There was a lot of tension, there was a lot of crisis, there was a lot of confrontation, but none of them actually used direct war. That is, none of them dropped nuclear weapons on each other. Now we will study in detail about the US and USSR during the Cold War period. So first we are studying about the ideologies. US was basically democratic capitalist, also called the Western Alliance because of its location on the world map, okay, on the world. Now USSR basically was socialist and communist, okay. Now this US, it formed into an organization that is called NATO. Okay, what is that? North Atlantic Treaty Organization, when April 1949, and it had an association of 12 states. Basically 12 countries were part of this NATO in the Western Alliance. Now what did this alliance basically, or treaty basically was? It said that armed attack on any one of them in Europe or North America would be regarded as an attack on all of them. That is, अगर किसी ने भी NATO members के ऊपर अटैक किया, that is attack on any one of the member state of NATO, it will be considered as an entire attack on Western Alliance. Now if Western Alliance has formed an organization or a treaty, the same did USSR. USSR formed Warsaw Pact when in 1955. What was its major function or principle? To counter NATO forces in Europe. Okay. Now you can read the names of the NATO members, okay, in your notes itself. And United Kingdoms basically comprise of England, Wales, Scotland and North Ireland, okay. And these are the names of initial members when the Warsaw Pact was made, which all countries basically joined the Warsaw Pact. Now since we have seen in your map, let me show you. Okay, since you can see here that Europe, the major part of Europe is in red in color, that is your second world, that is the USSR. So obviously US was worried, so US made two treaties or two organization, you can say, in the entire Asia. It comprised of basically the United States built an alliance system in East, Southern and Western, that is the Middle East Asia. These alliances were called SEATO, the Southeast Asian Treaty Organization, and the CENTO, the Central Treaty Organization. Okay, you just need to remember their names, that the United States had formed alliances in the Asian part. Now both US and USSR had nuclear weapons, so there arise the logic of deterrence, which I will explain you in the next class. Until then, bye.